In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up emergency contact on iPhone. To set up emergency contact on iPhone is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to look for the health app on your iPhone. So once you locate the health app on your iPhone, I want you to tap on the health app. So let's tap on the health app now. So once you tap on the health app, this is what I want you to do. It will open up the health app for you. Once it opens up, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see a circle over there which represents your profile. So I want you to tap on that circle to check your profile. So once you tap on that, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to tap on medical ID. So let's tap on medical ID now. So once you tap on medical ID, it will bring up this page for you. And once it brings up this page for you, I want you to scroll down. Scroll down to where we have emergency contacts. You can see we have it here. So I want you to tap on that emergency contact. Just tap on that. So once you tap on emergency contact, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to look closely. You are going to see where it says add emergency contact. So let's tap on that. Once you tap on emergency contact, it will ask you to choose the contact you want to add. So just choose the contact you want to add from your contact list and tap on done. And the emergency contact will be added to your medical ID. So guys, this is how you can actually add or set up emergency contact on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.